welcome back to the channel, guys. Guys, today is actually going to be a little bit different than my normal try-ons or like chat with me sessions that I do. I actually decided to do like a poll on my channel for like content wise, just to kind of get an idea and a feel of like what you guys would like to see, something that's a little bit different than what I'm normally doing. So one of the things that kind of won, rather, when I did the poll was a DIY on how I do my own press-on nails. But before I get into, you know, all of that with the video, guys, that per the norm, let's go ahead, let's get our housekeeping out the way. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on. Ding! So when I post, you guys can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation, guys. But to get back to the nails, so I actually do my own nails. So I paint my own nails, I bedazzle them, whatever. So this video is just going to be on me actually going over that, doing like a step-by-step process, because going to the nail salon every other week is expensive and can be pricey. But if it's something that you can just glue and pop on yourself and have a different design, you know, every couple of weeks, sis, you know, if a nail pop off, girl, you glue it back on and save you some coins. Honey, I am here for the coin savage. You hear me? I'm here for it. One of the things in the video, I didn't have a chance to purchase it in time, but I actually have it now. It's what I bond my nails down with when I use them on the stick that I use. It's actually called Fun Tack, and this is it, guys. This is what it looks like. This is the Fun Tack. So basically it's just like molding putty. That's all it is. It's nothing harmful, so you could, you know, put your nails down. It's not going to dry and bond it. It's just going to hold it in place. It works better than masking tape or just any other tape because it actually will hold it and bond it for you. So when you pull it off, this is just an example because I just again did these nails, so this is kind of how I set it up. You just pull it off, you know, roll it around into a ball, stick it on the end of each end of it, and then you just take the nail and you just like stick the nail to the stick or to the putty, so to speak, whatever. So that's how it's actually set up. This is how it looks. These are the sticks that I use. But guys, along with the putty and the sticks, as well as my nails and anything else that I use in the video, I will post the links down below so that you guys can actually have access to, if you want to purchase it and try it yourself. I definitely advise that you do. It's nothing to do. But yeah, guys, so that's it. So me and my non-lashes and you know, the saggage, we just gonna go ahead and get into the video.
I will post all the information below, but I believe they are a stiletto 14-inch. I also got the, as you just seen, the orange wooden sticks from there as well. And of course, you know, I have my emery board, but I also have the rhinestone kit. The cool thing about the kit, guys, is that it comes with all the tools that you'll need. And of course, you know, my white polish, because, you know, white toes get chose, hey. But I also have my neon green. And I'm going to do those two together, along with my masking tape. I know y'all are like, girl, what are you doing with this masking tape? Hey, girl, hey. But so the first thing, guys, of course, that you want to do is that you want to get these tools all the way. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, you want to actually size up your nails to your fingers. So if this is kind of like your first time, it may take a while, but it's pretty easy. So yeah. Okay, guys, so we're back. I know you're like, girl, are those pieces of tape? Yes, and then they don't want to stick, honey. But yes, I have all my pieces of tape laid out next to my nails that I have sized and laid in order. So now, guys, I'm just going to take the orange wood sticks, and I'm going to roll the tape to like where it's like in a roll. You'll see it. And I'm going to stick it to each end of the orange wood stick. I like to use the orange wood stick over like slender popsicle sticks, but you can use whatever you have that's, you know, accessible to you. I just like those better because they hold the nails easier, in my opinion, than the regular like orange popsicle sticks. So that's why I do those. I mean the regular like slender popsicle sticks. So as you see, I just rolled it up and just, you know, put it on each end of the stick. So yeah. So next, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to take your nails. So I'm starting off with my thumbnails. Those are easiest for me to, of course, because they're the biggest, easiest for me to start with. So you're just going to take the nail and you're going to stick it rather to each end of the stick. Now, here's the thing. When you tape it down, you, of course, want to make sure where the nails are facing the correct way, if that makes sense. Like that. First, guys, is I'm going to start because I'm going to do right on the outside, the yellow on the inside. So I'm going to paint the inside of my nail first. That way those can dry and I can actually lay those kind of face down to dry while I paint the white on the top side. So that way I can have them both, you know, painted and drying at the same time. So you just take your inside of your nail. Make sure you break it down far enough. Because one of my nails, I did not bring the polish down far enough. So it was like yellow and then it was like a clear white nail. So it looked a little off. But yeah, so that's how you're going to do it, guys. I made a mistake and painted the inside of my pinky nail yellow and I wanted to paint it white. Because I actually meant I'm going to now, the pinky nail, I'm going to paint the neon kind of yellow green because I plan on doing rhinestones on that entire pinky and I want that to be my backdrop so that it can pop more. So I'll show you guys how to do the rhinestones in a minute. So now I'm just painting the entire pinky nail, the top of it, the color that I want it to be. All right, let's get this white paint popping. Come on, roll it, girl. Roll it. So guys, just this time we're going to go ahead. We're going to start painting the tops of our I don't know why I just showed y'all the masking tape. But we're going to start painting the top of the nail, the white color. So yeah, let's go ahead. Y'all know how to paint nails. Let's go ahead. While the green is drying, we painted them, put our second coat on them. Let's go ahead and start painting the tops of our nails. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention to you guys. I also like using the orange these sticks right here, because when you go to paint like the sides of your nails and the base of your nails, you don't have to worry about painting the stick itself. Not that it matters none, but you don't have to worry about painting the stick itself because the stick is so thin, if that makes sense. All right, y'all, let's get it popping. So now we're back with our pinky nail. We've put our coats on it. It is dried, so we're good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top coat that I got, okay, come on, face. Come on, face. But okay, guys, so we're going to take the top coat. I've already pulled some of my rhinestones out, so I know which ones I do and do not want to use. It makes it kind of easier for me. This is my first time actually trying this with you guys. So let's see how this works. But what you're going to do, your top coat is going to be your sealant. Sealant. I think that's how you say that word. I can't say a lot of stuff. For the rhinestones. So you're just going to paint your regular top nail like how you normally do. And I'm just going to I don't have any random order that I'm putting my rhinestones on. You see, I got my tool. And those tools actually came with the rhinestones, guys. So that's the cool part about it. So you're just going to, I always like to start like how they do at the nail salon. They start like at the bottom, like at the base, like of your cuticle. So I figured, I'm like, I'm gonna take a tip from them. Heck, they do it. Why can't I do it too? So I'm just applying the rhinestones, different sizes, different shapes, whatever. Just applying them randomly to make them fit. If my top coat dries, and I run out of it, or I'm not if I run out of it, but if it dries, then I just apply more of the top coat to it. And then when I'm finished with it all, I apply one more top coat just to seal it all up, let it dry, and then that's it. Okay, guys, so here's the final result when I glued my nails on. I did glue just one rhinestone to, that's the pinky, but I did glue one rhinestone to the base of my thumbnail. And unfortunately, I do apologize for not showing y'all how to glue the nails on. The next video, I definitely will show you guys how to glue the nails on. But I realized in the midst of me like going to get my hair done, I didn't want to fly out the house without my nails on, so I just slapped them on my hands. But so that's the inside of them, guys. This is the other hand, the back of it, and of course the inside. So hopefully you guys like and enjoy. Give me your feedback. What you guys think?